Let's get ready to rumble! Y'all ready for this?
Good morning, Morgan Middle School. Welcome to week 3 of March Madness.
This week, students will be answering trivia questions about the faculty and staff on MMS.
3 labs will be meeting this Thursday, March 13th after school in Mrs. Bird's classroom. We will be finishing up our roller coasters. Come have some fun.
Hey, Kindness crew members, we'll be meeting in Mrs. Schroeder's room right after school on Wednesday, March 19th. See you there, and remember, kindness rules.
Students, check the lost and found. Anything left in there after March 28th will be donated. Fridays are school spirit days. Show your school spirit and wear a spirit shirt, spirit hoodie, or MMS colors. The first hour with the most school spirit for each month will receive donuts from the student council.
The student council has hidden 4-leaf clovers around the school. If you find one, take it to Miss Carter for a treat. Clovers will not be hidden in bathrooms, locker rooms, or classrooms. This month, the library's reading challenge is to read any book besides picture books or graphic novels. It is an individual challenge, and the top boy and girl who read the most books gets a $10 McDonald's gift card.
March Madness book brackets are up in the library. Students can vote for their favorite book. To make it to next week's round, the librarians will tally up votes every day, and the top books will move on to the finals. At the end of the month, April 23rd, the book club will meet up and discuss the Alan Gratz book allies. It will be right after school. There are copies available in the library that can be checked out.
6th and 7th graders, if you would like to run for next year's student council, applications are in the office. Fill out the applications completely and turn them in to Mrs. Carter or the office by Thursday, April 10th. You must be a full-time student to run.
Now a message from the Hope Squad.
Please stand and repeat after us.
I can solve problems and challenges.
I control my own happiness.
I can make a difference.